Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got another subscription box. This one comes to us from our good friends over at Monthly Knife Club. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, Monthly Knife Club, supporter of the channel. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with Monthly Knife Club, and as always, if you are interested in this particular subscription service, and you should be, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. These guys are awesome. I love them, truly do, because they, this box is paid for, but they send knives to the channel that I give away. I still love my little cutter here. Very, very nice gift by one of you guys. I love you. And since this is a Monthly Knife Club box, we're going to use our Blade HQ, donut themed knife mat here. That's right. We're going to get fancy. We fancy like Applebee's on a date night. What you guys know about Walker Hayes, man, huh? What you know about Walker Hayes? I'll tell you what I know about Walker Hayes. He's from my town. That's right. He's from here. He's from where I'm from. That's how we get down south. We take the chicks to the Applebee's on a date night. Get some Bourbon Street steak, Oreo shake, some whipped cream. Squeaking in the truck bed on the way home. And that's how we get down here. All right, so what we got? Let's see. We got some glow sticks, man, so we can have a rave going on. Whew, 12-hour plus. Oh man, the party don't stop with these things. That's what I'm talking about. This is gonna last longer than any hallucinogenics that you got going on. Alright, so we got a lot of them too. Woo! Man, 6 of them. Man, invite your friends over. Got a good time right here with some glow sticks. Alright, so we got some, we got a Coast. Okay, I like these. These are good. These are cheaper. They're not that expensive. These, alkaline, dual powered. No, man. We're going to swap them bad boys. And I'm going to tell you one thing. When you do get a flashlight that says on it alkaline, be careful putting lithium, because this was at AA's. Be careful putting AA lithium batteries in it, because sometimes it'll burn the emitter out. Just saying. Don't ask me how I know that happens. Just trust me. Okay, so this thing it's a G34 pure beam focus, 449 foot range of beam distance. You know something? I would say this is a good flashlight if it just had 450 feet. How did they determine 449? That's very specific. 449 feet. Okay, it's IP54 dust resistant, storm proof, all that good stuff. 370 lumens of bright, and it does have a low setting, and it says try. Ooh, okay, she's bright. She's bright, but here's the problem: alkaline power like it's bright. Because like I said, I got lights here. I got an 8-foot LED strip up here that's blasting the ceiling and reflecting down. And then I got another 8-foot LED over there over my desk. So it's bright in here. So for that thing to be putting out that much light, that's pretty good. But as I said, alkaline power, this thing's going to suck them alkaline batteries dry. I'm talking about, man, you just don't know. And it's got a focuser on it on the end here, so you can go from flood to spot. So we like that. We like doing the we like changing the light beam. That makes us happy. And on high, it's throwing 370 lumens. It'll run for 4.5 hours on high. Man, I don't know, man. I might need to test that, man. 2 AA's, and it's going to run 4.5 hours. I don't know about that. I think at 4 hours or 3 hours, she ain't putting out no 370 lumens. But if you put it on low, It's putting out 135 lumens. It says it'll do that for 17 hours. So yeah, that's good. Okay, like I said, these are generally, you know, more cost effective, you know, flashlights, and they do just fine. Matter of fact, the one I carry around, and I get really irritated if I can't find it. It's somewhere, and it's just an old cheap LED, nothing fancy. You know, it's not no big name brand. It's just a little flashlight, and I just love it. I love it. Oh man, my daughter's gonna want this. My daughter's gonna want this sticker. All right, Monthly Knife Club. I want to say one thing. They've ramped up their sticker game for real. Because check this out, man. It's old. What is that? It's not a samurai. That's a what kind of? Let's see. What era would that be? I don't know. I'd have to do some brainstorming. It's a cool holographic sticker. It's got a cat on there, man. He's from the old school, man. He's ready to put in the work. He's ready to put the work in. Very cool sticker. I really like it. And it's funny because, you know, that this, you know, the way the cat's looking, I could see a cat being dressed up like this, and that's probably the face he'd have. Put that in the sticker pile up here next to our on crack Razorback. All right, we got a box from Gerber, Mansfield. Okay, that does not ring a bell, but I'm starting to get old, and I don't have the storage capacity in my noggin anymore to remember stuff. It seems like if I try to remember something new, I forget about 50 other things. And don't laugh, because you know, a lot of you guys that watch my channel are probably older than me, or at least that's what the Google tells me. It tells me a lot of you guys are older than me. So you guys know, you're sitting there looking at your screen right now going, yeah, he's right. He's right. He said, man, I try to learn something new, man, then 5 minutes later, I don't remember what I did with my car keys. Well, you know what happened. There you go. You done forced some information out. Happens to all of us. Okay, so this was a whole lot of packaging, man, just to put a knife in here. It's a very big box. Very big box for a not that big knife, but it does look really nice. For, you know, I love Gerber. Okay, I'm just going to tell you, I love my Gerber stuff. I thought it was sitting, yep, it's right there. It's right here. Right? Nope, that's a Leatherman. God, dog. I thought I hit the jackpot. I didn't. All right, well, I lied to you. But I've got a really old Gerber Gator, and I love that knife. But it's a really old knife. So yeah. But Gerber, you know, that they could still put out quality stuff, you know, and you know, they run the gamut. You know, they put out some nice stuff, and then they put out the, you know, little mass-produced, you know, cheap stuff too. So non-reversible pocket clip. So yeah, very nice, very nice. Ooh, man, that thing is, it's in there. God, dog. Boy, that thing needs some oil, for real. It needs some help. That thing did not want to come out, for real. Okay. And I don't like it because the tension, there's no lock. It's just the tension. It's just a knife. I don't like that. I don't know how I feel about that, because one of my most favorite knives in the whole wide world don't have no fancy thing on it either. Now, for all you guys in the good old States, you know what this is. You know, this is a buck 110. And it's that way. But see, she comes out really, really nice. That's the American staple right there. That's old buck 110. Everybody should have a buck 110. I do. It does have a lock. You know, it's got a lock here. So, but I love this knife. Love it. Everybody's got to have one. All right, back to this. Boy, we got a big old channel right at the top of the spine. A very, very long channel. It goes almost all the way down there. Boy, I don't know what you need that for, but you know, nevertheless, if you're that one person out there that looks at that, what you mean, man? I need that. Well, you got it. It's on both sides too. It's not just on one. So, boy, it's cutting a lot of meat. I mean, there is not hardly no meat on the top of the spine of that, because that that slot's cut on both sides. So yeah, that's a lot of meat on both sides, and this blade's not that thick. Okay, so we do got a little bit of a choil bump here. We got a little slope down, then it rides up. You know, we got a kind of a oval shape there. You know, the scales are cut down. They're cut down like this, and to me it's a really good feel in your hand. And even though there's nowhere for your, there's no grip for your thumb. Surprisingly enough, and it's the scales. To me, that having that little turn down on the edge and the turn down up here at the top on both sides, I don't know what it is. To me, I just like them better in my hand. I don't really like this knife, but I tell you what, I like holding it. It's very comfortable. This is a very, very comfortable knife to have in your hand, or at least in my hand. Okay. Like I said, I wish it didn't have the slots up at the top of the spine there, but it is a pretty knife. Like I said, those slots at the top of the spine, man. If it didn't have them, I'd feel a lot differently about this knife. So yeah, okay. So that's the first thing. We'll put it right there. Okay, then we got something from Browning. Okay, that's all we got. That's all we got. Where's the card? Where's the card? Guys, did I take the card out? I did not take the card out. There was no card. Okay, so now I really don't know which box this was, or which month or whatever. I think it was March. But yeah, there was no card in here. Okay. Well, I don't get to go over the products other than what I've done. Whoops. So yeah, it is what it is, man. This is what we get. But we got this from Browning. This is going to be, I'm assuming this is going to be a fixed blade, just from the size of the box. Come on out there. Quit playing. All right. And it is a little Browning with a canvas sheath. Okay. It's got China stamped very prominently right there on the blade. We love seeing that. Not skeletonized. Let's see, what model? Okay, this box just has Browning on it. Let's see. Wow, there's nothing on. I'm not lying. There's nothing on that end, nothing on this end, nothing on there other than Browning. So I don't even know what this knife is. Do y'all really care about what it is? Let's see, how to sharpen your knife. Okay. All right. Well, it tells you how to sharpen it. That's actually pretty neat. Gives you a little how-to sharpening tutorial. Okay, good job, Browning. All right, awesome. Okay, so the knife itself, like I said, it has this little belt loop canvas, sheath with a Browning logo on it, which is fine. Okay, we got a skeletonized handle. Very nice contour. I really like it. Very, very big choil. Very big choil. Some of that alligator. Some of that old alligator jimping up there on the top, man. That stuff, man. You could use that thing for a saw. You could use that jimp for a saw right there. That's some very aggressive. I mean, that's aggressive. Like I'm not kidding. You could cut with that thing. That jimping's so bad. Look at this. Watch this. Look at that. That's the jimping. Look at that. You can cut with the jimping. Okay, now if it does that, you can imagine how it feels on your thumb when you put your thumb on it. Whew, okay. All right. But other than that, well, the jimping is, it's right there where I like the blade. The blade profile is awesome. For a knife this big, I really like the blade's jamming. It just says model 0098 China. That's what it has right there on the blade. Hopefully it'll focus. Not a bad knife. I actually like it. I like it. Other than that jimping, man, that jimping is super aggressive, man. Woo! It's going to tear your thumb up. Like, check this out. Like, just holding the knife, right? Just holding the knife. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know if hopefully that'll focus. It's leaving imprints on my thumb. All right. Browning. It's a little aggressive, man. It's a little aggressive. And we do have some button retention that obviously I can't get to close. There we go. Okay. Okay, so for Monthly Knife Club, let me see. This was the kind of one of the cheaper. I think this is the cheapest box you can get from Monthly Knife Club. Let me go and just find an old card from Monthly Knife Club. Okay, this would be the advanced plan. And in their plans, you can get the advanced plan, which is what this box is. You can get the premium plan, and you can get the ultimate plan. Those are the three plans, three boxes that you can choose from that have the knife and, you know, other things other than blades. But if you just want a knife box, they have a standard name brand knife box. They have a tier 2 name brand knife box, and then they have the Onyx Collector's box. So those are all the boxes. Whoa. Those are all the boxes that you can get from Monthly Knife Club. If you, like I said, they have a permanent link in my description box because, you know, they are nice enough to send me some knives to give away to you guys. And we have 2 knives sitting up here that, you know, here in the very near future, we're going to give away. So, yeah. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And make sure you come on back, man. We have a good time around here. Probably not this coming week, not this week, but next week. Hopefully everything kind of returns to normal. I really want to start doing live streams, you know, and try to kick off some type of format to do live streams. Because I really would like to interact with you guys, you know, live. You know, be able to have you guys actually talk to me and me be able to respond to you in real time instead of, you know, just through the comment section. But anyway, if you're still here, you know, thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. I really, really greatly appreciate you. Comment on the video. You know, YouTube loves the engagement. I like the engagement. I like having something to read. So, yeah, hook a brother up, man. All right, that's it. That's all I got. This is Monthly Knife Club Advanced Plan. Let me know. Comment section down below. The box. What's going on with you? Any thoughts, comments? You know, life, whatever. Let me know, guys. Stay cool, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.